Okay, so this is one of those days. Some days, my shop is my sanctuary. Other days, my shop is my hell. Come out here and change some valve springs, work on a head, work on an engine, change some tires, have fun, just enjoy, relax. Today, this 54 Ford is in a bad way when it comes to the wiring. So I'll get to show you here what I'm playing with. So I think you can see all that. It kind of looks like maybe, well, this old stuff gets brittle and just falls apart. So instead of black tape and half-ass, we're doing replacement wire, which, yeah, I have wire, rope around wire that's replacement, and then heat shrink, solder and heat shrink. But the problem is it's about a half an hour for every wire. And then I get to play with the speedometer because it's all effed up. So this is just what I get to deal with. If you restore cars, please don't half-ass it. Just do me a favor. Thank you so much.